In this video, I will show you how to create a TikTok account. First, you need to have a TikTok app installed on your device. It is available on both iOS and Android. And once it is installed, you are ready to go. Now that the app is installed, click on Open and you will land on screen like this. To create an account, you will see multiple ways to sign up. The first option is use phone or email. When you choose this option, you have to enter your birth date and then decide whether you want to use your phone number or email for registration. If you pick phone number, TikTok will send you a verification code via SMS. And if you choose email, then just provide your email address and create a password. You can also use Google, Facebook to create an account. This option is super quick as it links your TikTok account directly to one of these platforms. In my case, I'm going with Google, and after this, you will be prompted to select a Google account. So choose a Google account with which you want to create your TikTok account. And then TikTok will ask you to add your date of birth. And once you add it, click on continue. And now it's time to choose a username. TikTok will suggest a few usernames, but feel free to get creative and come up with your own unique name. And don't worry, you can always change it later if you change your mind. And then click on continue. And here TikTok will ask you for your interests. So you can choose from the given options. And with that, you have successfully created your TikTok account.